Hello, I'm Ivan Goncharov, an immigration lawyer. In this video, I'll explain how you can access or challenge information recorded about you in the Schengen Information System, or SIS II, when the alert was registered by France. France applies a mixed model of access. This means that in only a few specific cases, such as alerts related to missing persons or alerts about objects, you may request access directly from the police authority. In most other cases, because SIS II is considered a sensitive system linked to national security and public safety, you can only access your data indirectly through France's Data Protection Authority, the CNIL. To make a request, you must do so personally. Family members or relatives cannot act on your behalf. However, you can mandate a lawyer to handle the request for you, provided that's clearly stated in the application. There are no strict forms or formats required, but you do need to submit a written and signed letter along with a clear copy of an identity document. This could be a passport, identity card, birth certificate, or residence permit. You are also encouraged to include supporting materials, like a visa refusal, referencing a SIS alert, or any favorable decision relevant to your case. The entire procedure is free of charge. Once your request is submitted, a magistrate designated by CNIL will conduct the necessary checks. This may involve visiting France's Siren Bureau to verify whether you are listed and why. However, under French law, the results of the verification will only be shared with you if the disclosure does not threaten national security, public safety, or undermine ongoing judicial investigations. If such an objection exists, you'll be informed that verification was carried out, but no further information can be disclosed. In that case, CNIL will also tell you how to challenge the objection through the appeals process. If the alert was not issued by France but by another Schengen state, CNIL will cooperate with the Data Protection Authority of that country to handle your request. The average processing time for such request ranges between 1 and 4 months, depending on the complexity of the case, whether additional verifications are needed, and whether the data comes from France or another state. The applicable legal framework in France is based on the Information Technology, Data Files and Civil Liberties Act, and the relevant decrees concerning SIS II implementation. Finally, you can submit your request either in French or in English. For all the exact contact details, links to the right authorities, and templates you can use, please check the link in the description below this video. And if you need legal help in preparing your request or responding to a denial, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.